Is Peer2Profit still an easy passive way to earn some extra money online, or has it turned into a scam? My name is Michael and I have several videos where I talk about Peer2Profit, and there's been some really big changes, and a lot of people have asked me because it is quite confusing how it now works, because when you go to the website it is now down, but that does not mean that it has just suddenly disappeared. There are just some very important things you need to be aware of. So I'll go over all that in this video so you know exactly how it works now. So let's start by going over why I am recording this Peer2Profit update, because as you can see when you go to the website, it says that due to high demand, it is temporarily out of service. But it has been like that for a little while now, and many viewers have asked me, like, how do I get access to it? Why it's not working? Can I not earn from it anymore? How do I take my earnings out? I have earnings there and all these things, because when you used to go to the website, that is where you could log in, that's where you could share your traffic and earn passively, that's where you could withdraw. But as you can see, there is no access on the website anymore. And even though it says it's temporarily out of service, I have contacted their support, and you can also see there is still a support button in the corner, so you could contact them there. And the website is not planning to be launched again anytime soon. It might open in a different way or something like that in the future. I can of course not say, but at the time of recording this video, you should not expect to be able to go to the website to be able to continue earning or to be able to take out your profit. But there still is a way where you can actually get access to your account if you are already a member. What is also very important to be aware of is that it does not currently accept new members. So this is only if you're already a member. If you're not yet a member and you want to use different ways to earn passively, then I have a list on my website about the best passive income apps. I'll leave a link to that below also. But if you're already a member, then you need to go to Telegram now. So I will just show you how that would look. So I have now jumped to the Peer2Profit bot on Telegram now, because that is now where you access your information. The thing is that there's not as such a link on the website to take you to this bot if you're already a member. So I contacted support and got a link and all that, but also I do have a link directly to the bot on my website in my full Peer2Profit tutorial. So I will leave a link to that below. Then you can go there and find the link if you have a problem actually accessing your account. But it basically works the same way as the website. It is just inside Telegram now. You come in here once you're logged in. Again, it does not accept new members, so this is only if you're already a member. You can see the connected devices, you can see how much you have in your balance. You can also order a payout. You can't actually invite new people right now because they don't accept new members at the recording this video anyways. You can see you can download it on different devices. You can ask for support, all these different things. So you just click here and then it shows you what to do next. So you can do this, and I have been paid through the bot, so I know that it still pays. I came here, just ordered a payout, I got paid, so I know that you can still take your earnings out. So if you're already a member and you've gone to the website, saw it was down, like, oh, I lost my earnings, that is not the case. You can just go to the bot instead. As mentioned, I do have a link directly to the bot on my website. I'll leave a link to the full tutorial where you can find that link below. There, you can come here, order a payout, you can continue earning, all this. It has just changed a lot, and they have had a notification inside the member area for quite a while, but in my opinion it was a little bit confusing what exactly it meant, and that it meant that the website would actually close down. So I also hadn't paid proper attention to that, so I'm thinking that's probably also the case for many others based on all the questions I received about it. So now you know how it works now and how you can now get access to your account. So as you can see, Peer2Profit is still live, it is still working, the website is just not working. So you need to go to this Telegram bot if you want to take your earnings out or if you want to continue earning. Also, as mentioned several times, they do not accept new members. So if you want to use a different passive way to earn, I have linked below to a full list of different passive income apps. You can also check that out if you're already a member of Peer2Profit and just want alternatives also. And I hope this video helped you, because so many of you have been confused about what is going on with Peer2Profit, myself included, until I found out that you actually could get paid and exactly how it works. And the support is also still fairly quickly at replying if you have any further questions. So if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.